Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows the diagnosis of acute appendicitis by ultrasonography. You can see the area of scanning is the right side of the lower abdomen. Most often, healthcare professions suspect the diagnosis of appendicitis based on your symptoms, your medical history, and physical examination. A doctor can confirm the diagnosis with an ultrasound, X-ray, or MRI examination. Sonographic criteria for the diagnosis of appendicitis includes a non-compressible, blind-ended aperistaltic tubular structure in the right lower quadrant arising from the base of the cecum. You can see the ascending colon, and this is area is the cecum, and you will see the appendicitis just around this area. The appearance of hyperechoic with ecopore abscess surrounding the appendix. There may be a reflective omentum around the appendix, a thickened bowel, and enlarged lymph nodes. Asymmetrical wall thickness may indicate perforation. Now you can see the appendix, inflamed appendix. An ultrasound examination is performed to evaluate appendicitis. Graded compression ultrasound of the right lower quadrant will reveal a non-compressible enlarged appendix. If the bowel wall layers, particularly the echogenic submucosa, is lost, it is suggestive of perforation. Now you can see the whole length of the inflamed appendix. By sweeping the probe, you can see the whole length of the inflamed appendix. Appendix is a small pouch-like sac of tissue that is located in the first part of colon, that is cecum, in the lower right abdomen. Lymphatic tissue of the appendix aids in immune function. The official name of the appendix is vermiform appendix, which means worm-like appendages. The appendix harbors bacteria. Now, in this case, the patient is experiencing pain in the right iliac fossa with acute appendicitis. When acute appendicitis is suspected, you can scan the patient lying supine, and you can select a high power transducer, that is from 7 to 11 megahertz in this case. Now in this case, you can see the strong posterior accosting shadowing of the fecolith. You may put a pillow under the both knees to have the abdomen of the patient relaxed, and you will search a blind-ended tubular structure arising from the cecum. First you will identify the ascending colon, then the cecum, and then in the surrounding area, nearby area of the cecum, you can find the inflamed appendix. The colon will have the aorta, which will differentiate it from small bowel. You can see the aorta in the long axis view. Now you will scan caudally to reach the inferior end of the cecum, and then you can sweep the probe to do the examination in the transverse plane or the axial plane, also called the horizontal plane or transaxial plane. The position of the appendix is variable from patient to patient, and you will have to look around the cecum to localize the appendix. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.